our next project, we're going to be doing a different advent calendar. So here I got a gift box from the dollar store with the lid. Very nice box. And then inside I bought these little storage containers that you can get in that area with the, have all the food containers there. I got a few of these, they come in 10. So I decided to use these to put the toys in. And I was able to fit 12 in here. So we can do like a 12 days of Christmas or 12 days till Christmas, whichever way you want. So the good thing about this is that this can be for anyone. This can be for your girlfriend, your wife, your partner, or your kids. So for the adults, it's pretty cool because you can put like little chocolates or candy, or you can do jewelry. Let's see what else. Maybe like little mini makeup. If you can find little ones that can fit in here. You can put money, anything silly, you know, that they can open each day of December, which can be a fun thing to do. And then for the kids, I'm gonna do one for my daughter. So I got her a few little toys at the dollar store. So I got these cute erasers from the TY, from the Beanie Babies. They're really cute. She probably won't use them as erasers, so she'll just play with them, but these will fit in there. And I also got these My Little Ponies. I'm going to open them up now. I got these other My Little Ponies. And I found this cute little bracelet. So things like this, like if you have a girl, you can buy them like little things like this, like hair clips, hair accessories, bracelets or rings, and you can put them in there, and it's really nice and easy. So let's get to it. Let's go see. That's a cute little pouch. It's like a balloon, My Little Pony. It's cute. Now we can leave it in here, put it in there. It's more fun for them to work for it. Got a different one, which is good. A little pouch. Got it. Let's see. Okay, so this one's different. So I got 3 different ones, which is good. Because if you get the same ones, They'll probably get upset. These guys. She's really into My Little Pony, and since the new movie's out, she's been just wanting everything My Little Pony now. And the movie's really good, so I recommend you guys watch it. Okay. And then the bracelet, nice and easy, you can take off. Okay, let's put them in the little squares, the little storage containers. You can get the markers from these permanent markers from the dollar store as well. She likes rainbow colors, so we're just gonna number each box 1 through 12, or however you want to number it, wherever you want to start in December. So we'll just start on the beginning of December, just because she's small, she's young. Easy, it's colorful for my little girl, and then we can, the great thing about this is that we can practice counting her numbers too. It's a great way to count numbers in order, out of order, And so this is it. And then you have a few choices. You can leave them like this, and then put them on the table like that, and she can grab one each day, or you can glue it back to the box, and then you can stand it, and you can put like a string or rope or a bow here, and hang it on the wall. Just some ideas if you don't want to just have it laying around. But for her, I'm just gonna leave it like that because I know she's gonna wanna take out the box and put it back in. And it's like another fun activity that she can do. Rearrange the numbers and put them back in order. And then another good thing is that you can reuse these little containers for like candy when you go out on trips. Candy for them, little snacks or fruits and veggies that you can bring out, really nice and small, that you can take them with you. So the good thing is that you don't have to throw this away once you're done with it. You can reuse it, or your kid can play with it, or you can use these to store jewelry, or just little tiny things that if you want to organize them, you can use these. So for now, we're just gonna leave them like that. I'm not gonna fold them, so I'm just gonna put it in a box like that. And then I got an initial from the dollar store. I'm gonna put her initial, and I'm gonna do this to the front of the box. It's really pretty. Could also be a little gift. If you want to make this a gift for your child to open on Christmas, you'll have the box. The box is already decorated nicely with the initial on the M. You don't have to do much to it. There you have it. A different type of advent calendar for your kids.